Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. And once again we don come back with breaking news, we don come with updates, we don come with reports wey we go like share give the general public. And the koko now be say the House of Representativ their ad hoc committee wey dey investigate the political situation for inside Rivers State don last begin a long anticipated section with the Rivers State sole administrator wey be the retired Vice Admiral Gbas, and this meeting dey happen behind closed doors. And no be lie, men don too postpone this meeting sha. Men don postpone am multiple times, but last the meeting now don dey happen for inside Abuja. And this meeting dey happen sake of say the ad hoc committee wey the House of Reps dey inaugurate dem to take over legislative functions of the Rivers State House of Assembly sake of the tensions, sake of the political beef wey come last dey disrupt governance for inside Rivers State. So the committee now wan be exercise their constitutional powers. That na why they come call for a comprehensive section. They come call for a meeting with Oga Gbas so that they go fit know wetin dey sup. And Oga Gbas wey dey in question, so he was appointed sole administrator of Rivers State for inside the month of March by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after the suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Last Oga Gbas now don appear before the committee, and this na the first time wey dey make the appearance. And sake of say don to keep the committee waiting sake of the postponement and all that, and normally e no nice at all. He na come dey apologize for his earlier absence, and he come dey request for more time to adequately prepare for a comprehensive briefing. Oga Gbas now dey yarn dey give the members of the committee say instead dey settle down as the administrator of Rivers State, and he come dey appeal for understanding and patience from the lawmakers. That is, make dem reason with am. Say he never too settle down, he never too know the ins and the outs dem. But after every he go make sure say he go give the committee, he go give the lawmakers them confirm briefing. He go tell them everything wey they want to hear about the things and things wey he don do so far for inside Rivers State. Then shortly after his plea, shortly after Oga Gbas now don beg the lawmakers for more time, the lawmakers come tell Tori people to leave the room, and the session come proceed behind closed doors. But however, my good people, men for inside with nation Nigeria, especially men wey dey for inside Rivers State, including Tori people sef, they believe very well say the ad hoc committee now go torchlight the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State. They go address the matters wey don dey arise so far, and the matters dey include the suspensions and appointments wey Oga Gbas now don give for inside Rivers State. Even the 23 administrators wey Oga Gbas appoint for the 23 local government of Rivers State. All these na few of the many matters wey men dey believe say the ad hoc committee go torchlight. But be rest assured say anyhow the matter take play, or anyhow the men now take conclude, we go make sure say the informate reach the ears and the eyes of the general public. Anyhow this update be for body so, or if e be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another informate, me still get fresh report wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko now be say the former Rivers State governor wey be Rotimi Amechi, he don join the PDP governors. He don join many other countrymen and human rights activists dem wey dey criticize the declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers State by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And now Oga Rotimi Amechi dey yarn say the declaration is very much unconstitutional and na a violation of Nigeria's democratic principles. Speaking at the 2025 Akinjide Adeosun Foundation's leadership colloquium for inside Lagos, Oga Amechi now come dey label the move as a defilement of the sacredness and sanctity of the constitution. And also Oga Amechi still come dey express concern over the increasing concentration of power in the executive branch. He now dey argue say the National Assembly don become weak and ineffective. The National Assembly now no dey do the things and things wey the National Assembly supposed to dey do. According to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga Rotimi Amechi, he say the collaboration of the National Assembly, especially as a weak institution, e dey make the powers of our president unchecked. Nobody now dey check the power of our president. And then in addition to the constitutional concerns of Oga Amechi, the former governor now come dey question the transparency of the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway project wey the Minister of Works now dey currently dey work on. And on that aspect, Oga Rotimi Amechi come dey yarn say what process did it undergo? How did the government arrive at the cost? Who choose the contractor? Who be the contractor? Oga Amaechi dey ask. And no be lie, my good people. The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway project dey span approximately 700 kilometers and it is very much expected to cost around $13 billion. And reports dey ground say the project has been awarded to High-Tech Construction Company Limited, and this na a firm wey dey linked to Gbas Chagori, an associate of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And normally men don criticize the project tire, and among the men wey dey criticize the project na the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar. He now bin don raise concerns about the transparency of the project and the potential conflict of interest. And now the former governor of Rivers State wey be Rotimi Amaechi dey yarn about the need for due process and adherence to the rule of law in governance. And also, he now come dey draw ear the sama warning, say the absence of strong legislative and judicial institutions go last lead to arbitrariness. That is, if the judiciary and the legislative arms of government no do the needful, the executive arm go do things and things wey no go nice for inside we nation Nigeria, and that time governance go come dey determined by impulse rather than reasoning. And another word for that kind of level na dictatorship. According to how they talk take come aside from the mouth of the former governor wey be Rotimi Amaechi, he say once you don't have a legislature and judiciary, then what do you have then? Arbitrariness, and that na whatsoever the president like to do. Now after every the former governor come dey call on Nigerians to make them demand accountability and make men begin to dey uphold democratic values, because last fearless fellowship is very much essential to prevent the erosion of constitutional governance. If men now can begin to dey shy away from fighting for their rights, if countrymen now no can dey call for adherence to the constitution and rule of law, or if e be say men now dey collect small bribe to keep quiet, that dey only promote sabotage of democracy for inside we green country, so wey be Nigeria. This my good people na the message of Oga Rotimi Amaechi wey be former governor of Rivers State. And this my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on our legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update and you would like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell, so that as you bring more news on your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more informates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.